With Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission, and we are on a salad kick. Last half hour we made a Southwest pasta salad. It's beautifully presented right there, but today, right now, this half hour, we're making a tropical layered salad, Charlene.
I love this. It is so pretty. If you have a dish like this that you can put it in.
Yes, I love this dish.
I have 4 cups of leaf lettuce that I just tore and put in there. And now we're going to start with a layer of 2 cups of roasted chicken.
Okay, is there a science behind this?
We're just going to layer it and make it really pretty and just make it so all the layers show up. Now you have the black soybeans. That'll be our next layer that we're going to add. And then we're going to add our watermelon. And
did you use an ice cream scooper or something?
I used a little melon baller because I thought that would be fun to have a little bit different shape with our salad there. Now this is fresh pineapple chunks. We'll add that there. How's that looking?
Very good.
Very good.
Love the different shapes.
And now the strawberries that we're adding in there for another color. And then I've got mango here for the top. So, and you could use different fruits. Take your family and go to the farmer's market and try different things, and go to the grocery store and try different fruits.
Yeah.
And now you're going to make our dressing. Easy dressing. Yeah, I'll move this over for you. This is our vegetable oil that's already in there, and that's 1/3 cup. You're going to add the lime juice to it, and that's 1/3 cup of lime juice. And then we have the cilantro that we're going to put in there, and that is already chopped up. And then we have a little bit of sweetening, and 1 to 2 tablespoons, however much you'd like to have.
We're dumping it all in, Charlene.
Okay. And then tighten that lid up, and we made sure that the nozzle was down there, and then just shake it. Easy dressing. And one of the great things about vegetable oil is it's the basic of most salad dressings, but they're so easy to make yourself and have fresh dressings. Look at that. You did great.
This is a fun little tool here to make a dressing. Where did you get it from?
Just at the grocery store. Easy to pick up. And then open that up, and you can drizzle it over the top of it. Very good. And then what I have here are just some soy nuts, and you could use candy coated ones, or these are just chopped just to add a little bit of crunch. And there you go. Ready to serve. How does that look for a festive party?
It looks gorgeous, especially if you have a beautiful dish like this one. Well, where can people go to find this recipe,
KansasSoybeans.org.
All right, you guys will have to go check it out for a barbecue you guys are headed to over the summer, or birthday party. Anything works. Thanks, Charlene.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.